Buhari ordered the arrest of Flavour for leading EndSARS protest in Enugu. The award-winning singer Flavour, who recently led an EndSARS protest alongside Zoro and Celebobo, according to a report, it was said that Flavour has left Enugu State and the state has alleged plans to arrest the artist on the protest that was led to them in the state. Uche Maduagu wrote, Flavour, leave Enugu immediately. There are alleged plans to arrest you. Shame on the government of Enugu State. Is it now a crime to join EndSARS or EndSWAT in Nigeria? Please share this message until it gets to Flavour. Thank you for listening to this news. They can do nothing. We don't need to be scared. They cannot do anything to Flavour. It is not a crime. Let me tell you something. Protest is one of the very legal rights of every citizen of a country. So far you are a citizen of a country, you have that legal right to protest whenever you discover any injustice, whenever you discover any foul play, any violence. You have the right to protest and fight against it. If you are arrested, you can challenge that cause in the court. The federal government cannot defeat you in that. So Flavour doesn't need to run. It doesn't need to be afraid. How many people are they going to arrest? Is it only Flavour that led the protest? Zoro was there. Celebobo was there. How many people have they been able to arrest? Were they able to arrest Davido? Why can't they travel abroad and arrest those Nollywood actors that led the protest in London, in America, in Israel, in Japan, Germany? Why can't they go there and arrest them? Why can't they go if they know that they have that right? Flavour doesn't need to be afraid. He doesn't need to run anywhere. Who are the Enugu police to arrest Flavour? They should be the one to be arrested because they will not seen carrying out their responsibility. If they have been able to carry out their responsibility as they are supposed to, those hoodlums called soldiers wouldn't have come to massacre the youth. Let them arrest him and they will see the youth go back to the streets. They will see the next protest. Let them go on. If the president feels that he is stubborn, he should go on and arrest Flavour. Then they will see what is called massive protest. They will see what is called massive protest. They haven't seen protest. Yes, this one that is done is a unique one. A unique one. But this one that will be done will be more than unique. A lady was speaking angrily today on the social media. She said that the President Muhammad Buhari that is behaving like that deaf person, that person that is not hearing very well, will hear the moment the ICC come out for him. The moment UN come out for him, then he will open that his ear and start hearing well. I'm telling you, because now he's behaving like who is not hearing very well. He hasn't seen anything. They should come. Flavour should not go anywhere. Flavour should remain where he is. They can do nothing to him. Nothing will happen to him. He should be strong on ground. Nobody will come after him. That is the reality. Who are they? Who are they? They that are very good at using talks to oppress people. The same talks that they use in oppressing people are now the one oppressing them. Someone was speaking today on the social media. He said that if any politician calls you and tell you to come so that you can be used to eliminate someone, tell them that their son and daughter will be a part of the group that will go and eliminate the person, and you will see they will keep quiet. They enjoy using other people's children to carry out devilish plans. They prefer using other people's children to achieve demonic plans. But their own children, they send them abroad to give them better and useful education, so that when they graduate, they will not come back to Nigeria and be working in NNPC. My viewers, this is the reason why you must shun thuggery. You must shun thuggery. Say no to this. Don't allow yourself to be a scapegoat again. Don't allow yourself to be a cheap article again. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They must not go away with this. Yes, don't allow them again. So that is why I am standing up and I'm saying that Flavour should fear not. He should fear not, because there is nothing they will do to him. He is not the only celebrity that has led the NSAS protest. They are much. Let them go and start arresting others too. How many are they going to arrest? I am just laughing. Yesterday, the Nigerian police came out and started arresting young ones again. When the NSAS protest has just ended, they have refused to allow the NSAS protest to press down a little before resuming operation. You can see how troublesome these people can be. You can see how troublesome they can be. Enough is enough. This cannot continue. This cannot continue. I tell you, we really need to do something about this. We really need to do something about this. We need to place a stop to this mess. This embarrassment from these people must stop. It must stop. Yes. My viewers, what is your take? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.